Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these goddess locks right here. So these locks took me a good 2 days. This is my first time doing this, so it's probably going to take me a good while to, learn it, process it, and do it. So let's get right into it. Before I forget, so these goddess locks, I got this idea from a YouTuber that I watch. I'll put her video and name down below because I'm not trying to mess up her name. No ma'am, at all. So yeah, I got this idea from her in her tutorial. So yeah. So the things you will need is a denim brush, 3 packs of Cuban double strand twist hair, 3 packs of free tress braiding hair in water wave, and for your braids you're gonna need I use Murray's Edge Wax and Shine and Jam to sleek my parts or whatever, but you can use whatever gel you prefer. It's up to you. Also, you're gonna need a crochet needle and a lighter to burn the ends. So the first thing you want to do when you're doing faux locks is to comb out the ends. So that way you have more hair to use and it's easier to like go through. Yeah. And then just gonna stretch it out a little bit. Okay, so basically what you want to do when you're starting to wrap the hair is to wrap it a couple times at the base so that way it becomes a bit tight, and then to start to wrap the hair downwards but tightly. And you could apply gel if needed if you want a more secure lock or whatever. And then when you get to the end, you wrap upwards and then you burn it with your lighter and palm roll it, and that's all. So basically those little braids that you see on my head is so that way I can, well, those are the parts, and so that way it's easier for me. Instead of doing them as I go, I just did my whole head, so that way it's easier. It takes less time, even though it took me 2 days, but we're not gonna worry about that. You can make your parts as big as you want, but you'll probably need more hair if you do that, or as small as you want. No, it's as small as you want, but you need more hair. My fault. But yeah.
Right here.
They would have been a bit longer, but I cut some of it a little bit. It's not that noticeable, but I cut some of it so that way it's not as long, because Augustus ain't trying to deal with all that hair. Not I. So